Hello, wishing you all a very good morning, all my lovely students. Have a great day. I hope you all are doing good, safe at home, and enjoying your video classes. So, this is grade 5 social studies classes. I am Ojeshwini, your teacher of SS, and today again we will continue with block 6 voyages. Remember, yesterday we also study the same block. So, very first, what we need to clear our today's topic, and that is learning plan 2 Christopher Columbus. Everybody know him? Who was Christopher Columbus? Okay, very good. So, in the last class, we learned that thousands of years ago, America did not exist in the old map because it had not been discovered. So, what happened? But first, you should know your aim. And your today's aim is recognize Columbus as the person who discovered America. It means who discovered America? Christopher Columbus. But how, why, and blah blah blah. Lots of questions are there. I will give you all the answers one by one in our today's class. So, collect all your resources for today's topic that are S2 Atlas, yeah, wall map of the world, dictionary you all get in your bag, exit content book, workbook, and of course your notebook, water bottle, and your pencil bag. And today we will learn some new words, means our keywords. These are voyage, navigator, explorer. So, it's time to take a short recap of what we learned yesterday. And we learned Earth is round in shape, not flat like a disk. We found the difference between old world map and new world map. In old map, only 3 continents were there: Europe, Asia, and Africa. Whereas in new map, all 7 continents, 5 oceans, all big seas, all are there. Name of some continents and oceans are changed in new map. Like Africa. What was the old name of Africa? Libya. Very good. So, start our today. But first answer me, do you know how America might have been discovered? Who will answer? Yes, hundreds of years ago, someone from Italy started a voyage to come to India and by mistake reached America. This is how America was discovered. Is it okay? So, we will learn about the person who discovered America today. So, take your atlas and trace the route that Columbus took to reach the countries mentioned in your workbook. Now tell me, who was Christopher Columbus? Who will tell me? Yes, very good. Everybody knows. Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer and a navigator. Is it? And he made 4 voyages across the Atlantic Ocean. Do you know that the discovery of America in 1492 was his first voyage? You know, how did he travel? Okay, I tell you, on August 3, 1942, Columbus and his crew members set sail from Spain in three ships. And name of these three ships are the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. Don't forget the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. So, guys, do you know why Columbus did this travel? What was the purpose of his travel? So, in those days, the Europeans were looking for ways to trade with other countries in Asia. They were especially interested in India, which was famous for its spices. Even today, India is famous for its spices. So, let's have a look of name of some spices in Hindi, English, both. So, start. Number 1, lal mirch, red chili, haldi, turmeric, हींग asafoetida, जायफल, नटमेग, जीरा, क्यूमिन सीड्स, सरसों का बीज, मस्टर्ड सीड्स, काली मिर्च, ब्लैक पेपर, इलायची, कार्डामोम, अजवाइन, कैरम सीड्स, दालचीनी, किनामन, सौंफ, fennel seeds, long, cloves, and other spices. If you know the name both in Hindi and English, tell me in the comment box. Now, we will move forward and know something more about Christopher Columbus. Like, what did he carry with him during his voyage? Like you are going anywhere in a long journey, in a long tour, you carry something with you that you need during your journey. So, what was the things that Columbus carried? Columbus carried with him a compass to find the directions, pickled or dried meat, cheese, onions, and salted fish to eat. Why did he carry? To eat. So we know who was Christopher Columbus, how did he travel, what was the purpose of his travel, what he carried with him. But he may face some difficulties. What kind of difficulties might he have faced? We will also know them, that are many of his sailors fell ill during the journey. He almost lost his way and faced violent storms too. It was so problematic. We can't imagine. Is it? Which places did he reach? Means places he reached. Suppose that you are going from Fatehpur to Kanpur. So, how many stations you get in your way where your train or bus take a stop? So, these places that are he reached Cuba, Honduras, San Salvador, and Venezuela in each of his trip, means in all 4 sea voyages. These places he reached. Which places did he reach? Tell me again. Yes, Cuba, Honduras, San Salvador, and Venezuela. Very good. 4 places are there. Don't forget. Now tell me, were the places Columbus reached located in Asia? How do you know? These places located in Asia or in other place. Columbus started on a voyage from Spain to find the route to India. Instead, he reached South America, which was unknown to the world until then. मतलब उसके पहले nobody knows about Americas. Why I call it Americas? Because there are two Americas, South America, North America. Oh, it's time to your bonus question. And your today's bonus question is, who discovered America? Okay, Shant. Don't shout, I know. You all know the answer very well. So please don't shout and answer in form Sam. While choosing your correct option, please don't do any mistake. Be careful while choosing your answer in form Sam. Guys, which place did he discover? By mistake, he reached South America. So, which place did he discover? Of course, he discovered America. लो अमेरिका पहुंच भी गया and all three ships are also there. Is it? What happened the next? I mean, how did the discovery of America change the ancient world map? So, guys, once America was discovered, the world map showed two new continents far beyond Europe in the Atlantic Ocean. And which were that? North America and South America. Two green Americas are there. Upper one North America, lower one South America. Yellow one Africa, red one Europe. This big one means orange one Asia, and this purple one is Australia. Is it? And Europe and Asia together we'll call it Eurasia. Is it? Don't be confused. So, America discovered, and these two continents also added in the new maps. But did it profitable? I mean, how did it benefit the Europeans? Is there any benefit? Yes. The discovery of America gave the Europeans and another place to trade with. Like first they were trading between Europe, Asia and Africa. Now they have two more continents, South America and North America. And Europeans moved to America and settled there permanently. You can see on your screen. I go to America, I go to America. He is too happy. He is going to settle down in America. Do you want to settle down in America or you want to stay in India? If you ask about myself, I want to stay in India forever. Is it? What happened the next? I mean, what would have been different if America had not been discovered? क्या होता? अगर अमेरिका डिस्कवर नहीं होता तो क्या होता? क्या कुछ चेंज होता? कोई बदलाव होता? आखिर होता क्या? आप सबके आंसर अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. अगर अमेरिका डिस्कवर नहीं होता तो ये अंतर होता, ये डिफरेंस होता. What I thought, I tell you that if Columbus had not discovered Americas, someone would have found it sooner or later. Is it? अगर हम कोई काम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं doesn't mean दूसरा भी नहीं कर पाएगा. हमारे अलावा भी कोई कर सकता है, हमसे पहले या बात कर सकता है, जल्दी या देर से कर सकता है, काम तो होगा ही. So, it's time to conclusion. What we learned today, it's time to conclude it. Okay? Shortly, an Italian explorer and navigator Christopher Columbus discovered America in 1492 and he sailed back to Europe in January 1493. He sailed with his crew west from Europe in 1942 with three ships, the Nina, the Pinta and the Santa Maria. Then many of his sailors fell ill during the journey. He almost lost his way and faced violent storms too. He carried a compass to find directions, pickles or dried meat, cheese, onions, and salted fish to eat. बिकॉज पेट तो साथ ही चलता है, खाना तो पड़ेगा ही. क्या बिना खाए आप चल सकते हो? नहीं. And he reached Cuba, Honduras, San Salvador, and Venezuela in each of his trips. And how many trips? Four. Four voyages. Some more points are there. Columbus is started on a voyage from Spain to find a route to India, and he reached America. In January 1493, Columbus sailed back to Europe. Once America was discovered, the world map showed two new continents far beyond Europe in the Atlantic Ocean. The discovery of America gave the Europeans another place to trade with, and over time Europeans moved to America and settled there permanently. Now, it's time to your application work. What we learned today, it's time to apply in your writing work. So, very first, don't forget to study block 6, the paragraph under Voyages of Christopher Columbus. Is it? Then finish your S2 in nice handwriting and complete PQs 3 and 8 with correct spelling, correct answer, and nice handwriting. So, for today, thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you. We will meet tomorrow again.